County in northwestern Indiana, Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:08 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from South Deering to Dyer to near Lowell, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations of Station, Chesterton, Cedar Lake, Winfield, Valparaiso, Town of Pines, Lake Delacalia, Beverly Shores, Merrillville, Hobart, East Chicago, Porter, Green Acres, Wheeler, Lakes of the Four Seasons, Munster, Highland, Gary, Boone Grove, New Chicago, Portage, South Haven, St. John, and Griffith. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the